Aadhaar card is one of the most important government identification documents provided by UIDAI. It is linked to our mobile number, bank account, PAN card, and whatnot. It contains the details of the person's name, gender, address, photograph, and biometric data. Citizens can avail various services like banking services to mobile connections and other government and non-government schemes. Well, from time to time, Aadhaar card gets updated for the convenience of its users, and now in a latest update, you can update your phone number, address, and photo on your Aadhaar card through your mobile. So, if you are looking forward to update your photo and phone number on Aadhaar card through phone and do not know how to do so, then do not worry, as we have got you covered. Through this video, we'll give you a step-by-step explanation on how you can update your phone number and photo on your Aadhaar card using your phone. So, if you want to update your phone number on Aadhaar card through your phone, then these steps will help you out. So, step 1 is to visit the official UIDAI portal. Then you need to add the phone number that you want to update. Following which you have to add CAPTCHA code. Then you have to click on the send OTP option and enter the OTP to your phone number. Then you need to click on submit. You can then see a drop-down menu that notes online Aadhaar services. The list shows various options including name, address, gender, email ID, mobile number, and more. Now select mobile number to update phone number in Aadhaar. Add all the relevant details. Make sure to select the option what do you want to update, following which a new page will appear and you'll have to enter a CAPTCHA. After this, an OTP will be sent to the mobile number, after which you have to verify the OTP and click on the save and proceed option. Now, to update photo on Aadhaar card via phone, you need to follow further mentioned steps. So first of all, visit the official website of UIDAI. Then download the Aadhaar enrollment form. Fill in the details in the form and provide the required information related to the photo change. After filling the form, submit it to any Aadhaar enrollment center. An executive at the Biometric Verification Center will confirm your details and take a new photo. It must be noted that a fee of ₹25 along with the GST will be charged from you for the photo change service. After then, an acknowledgement slip will be provided with the update request number. So these were some easy steps to update your photo and phone number in Aadhaar card via phone. We hope this video was helpful. For more such latest news and updates, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.